Hello students, this is Miss Mills, here to read the Word Study Assessment for Syllables and Affixes, Sort 38. Now we have 24 words in this sort. So before we get started, make sure you set up your page, either your paper or your spreadsheet, to look like this, like you see on the screen, with your 4 headings. You'll want one for soft C words, as in cement, one for soft G words, as in gentle, one for hard C words, as in correct, and one for hard G words, as in gather. So once you are done setting up your spreadsheet, go ahead and press play so we can begin reading the words. Number 1, cyclist. I would consider myself an amateur cyclist. Cyclist. Number 2, giraffe. The giraffe was my favorite animal until I was 12 years old. Giraffe. 3, collect. I love to collect rocks and seashells. Collect. Number 4, general. I'm interested in animals in general, but specifically like to learn about mammals. General. Number 5, camel. Have you ever ridden a camel? Camel. Number 6, garage. It's nice to have a garage where you can work on projects. Garage. Number 7, gymnast. My little sister is a gymnast. Gymnast. Number 8, scent. When I was walking down the sidewalk, I found a scent lying there. Scent. Number 9, cereal. My favorite cereal is oatmeal squares. Cereal. Number 10, golden. I baked my bread till it was golden brown. Golden. 11, central. We took the train to Grand Central Station. Central. 12, gossip. It can be very hurtful when people gossip about you behind your back. Gossip. 13, custom. My family has a custom to have a special breakfast every birthday. Custom. Number 14, gingerbread. We made gingerbread houses out of gingerbread. Number 15, gurgle. When I had a sore throat, my mom told me to gurgle salt water. Gurgle. 16, circle. It's actually really fun to draw a circle with a compass. Circle. 17, gutter. All of the leaves that fell from the trees filled our gutter. Gutter. 18, cavern. We could see the deep cavern from the top of the hill. Cavern. 19, genius. I'm not a genius, but I know how to study hard. Genius. 20, college. I went to Winona State University for college. College. Number 21, cider. I love to drink hot apple cider on a cold day. Cider. 22, common. My nose was runny, and they said I had the common cold. Common. 23, giant. I love to hear about folk tales with a main character who is a giant. Giant. And last but not least, number 24, govern. We elect officials who we trust will govern fairly. Govern. Before you turn in this assignment, make sure you count to see if you have 24 words. If you're missing one, go back in the video and see if you can find the one you missed. Hope you have a fantastic day.